Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Miss Mavish Haris and I am your maths teacher from Peshawar Model School. This is our fourth lecture. In previous lecture, you already learn about sets, method of sets and different kinds of set. So today our topic is methods of set. In this method, you already know about these three methods. So today we have to start our exercise, that is exercise 1.1, book number 7, page number 4. Now boys, open your books, copies and listen and understand this exercise carefully. Open your book, page number 4, exercise 1.1. Now let's see the question number 1. Write the following sets in descriptive form. Before starting and complete this exercise, first of all, you know about what is meant by descriptive form. As you already know about what is descriptive form means a form in which instead of writing all the members of a set, a sentence is written. It means you have to represent this set in a form of a sentence and each and every member of a set clear. So what is our definition of descriptive form? In this form, instead of writing all the members of a set, a sentence is written which make each and every member of a set clear. Now let's see our first question, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you see that all the question is in braces and each and every element or members are separated by comma. Now we have to convert this form into descriptive form, and descriptive form means we have to write a set in a form of a sentence. So what is the name of this set? A. We have to give the heading solution. In which form we have to write here? Descriptive form. So our answer is A is the set of, what is this? It is a natural number. A is the set of first 10 natural numbers. How can we convert it in descriptive form? A is the set of first 10 natural numbers. Now come to the second question. Second part, set B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. How can we convert in descriptive form? Descriptive form means we have to convert this in a form of a sentence. So the name of set is B. We write here solution, descriptive form. B is the set of first 6 English alphabets. What are these? These are the English alphabets. And how many alphabets are there? There are first 6 English alphabet. So what is the right answer? B is the set of first 6 English alphabets. Now my dear students, what is meant by descriptive? In descriptive form, we have to write a set in a form of a sentence and we give the heading solution, descriptive form, and then we have to convert the set in a form of a sentence. The remaining two questions you have to complete it in a homework. Now come to the second question. Question number 2. Write the following sets in tabular form. In what is meant by tabular form? In this form, members of sets are written within braces and are separated by commas. In means you have not write the set in a form of a sentence. In question, you have to see your question is in sentence form and now you have to convert it in tabular form. And how can we convert it in tabular form? In tabular form, members of a set are written within braces and are separated by commas. So let's see our first question. The first question is the set of first 5 multiples of 5. Or you already know about the multiples of 5. It is very easy. So solution, tabular form, give the heading. In which form you have to convert it? You have to convert it in the form of a tabular form. So solution, tabular form, you give the set name like set A, B, C, D. whatever you have to like, because in question the set name is not giving, so you have to give the name let's suppose I have to given here the set name, that is capital A. A is equal to, now we have to convert it in tabular form, braces. What are the first 5 multiples of 5? 5, 10, the next is 15, then 20, and last is 25. You cannot write more multiples of 5 because in question you have demanded only first 5 multiples of 5. So you write here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now our next question is the set of natural numbers between 10 and 20. Again your question is in sentence form and you have to convert it in tabular form. So in our tabular form, a set is written within braces and are separated by commas. Which things are separated by commas? Their elements are separated by commas. So we have to give here the set name B. Capital B is equal to, we put here braces because in tabular form we use the braces. Now what is the range of natural numbers? These are between 10 and 20. So we cannot write 10 and 20. These are the numbers which you have to write in between 10 and 20. So you cannot mention 10 and 20. You write and start your numbers from here, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the braces are closed. We cannot write here 10 and 20 because we have to write the natural numbers between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20 means we cannot write 10 and 20. Now again the remaining parts you have to complete in your homework. Now come to our next topic, that is question number 3. Write the following sets in set builder form. You know here there are 3 methods of set. The number 1 is descriptive method, number 2 is tabular method, and the last method is set builder form. What is meant by set builder form? In this form, a general element is denoted by a variable x and a characteristic property is mentioned which is common to all the elements of a set. Now our question is written in tabular form. Number 1, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 20. These are the first 20 natural numbers. And how can we convert in set builder form? We have to use a general element x. So x A is equal to solution. You give the heading set builder form. A is equal to x such that x. What is the symbol of this line? This line means x such that x is a, what kind of numbers are there? These are the natural numbers. X such that x is a natural number less than and equal to 20. X such that x is a natural number less than and equal to 20. Now come to our second part. B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Again you have to convert this question, this set in the form of a set builder form. In which form? You have to convert it in set builder form. You give the heading set builder form. Set name is capital B equal to x such that x is a vowel. These are vowels. So we write here x such that x is a vowel, and the pronunciation of this set is B is a set of a vowel. X such that x means B is a set of a vowels. But in set builder form we have to use here a general element is denoted by a variable x and a characteristic property is mentioned which is common to all the element of a x. So we have to pronounce it like this. B is equal to x such that x is a vowel. Now my dear student, let's see. Today you have to solve your exercise 1.1 book 7. Again I mentioned exercise 1.1 book 7 page number 4, and today your homework is you have to complete 3 parts. Okay. Now the first part is question number 1, that is descriptive form. You have to complete 3 and 4 in your homework. 1 and 2 is already done in this lecture, and you have to complete 3 and 4 in your home task. Now question number 2, which is from tabular form. You have to complete part 3 and part 4. In question number 3, that is set builder form, you have to complete part 3 and 4. Best of luck. Thank you.